Hi guys, I am here in New Orleans. I'm gonna give you another tip. As you can see, we just have a very harsh rain here, and I thought I would make a video. So a lot of the time there will be water around the crown, and most succulent, they like to absorb water through the leaf. And do you see this succulent right here? This is an Echeveria Blue Bird. And this white coating powder is what protect them from this harsh sunlight. And most succulent, they do well in full sun. So this is what I usually do whenever after the rain is I would take this. I don't know what this is. It's kind of like one of those things for the baby to suck out the mucus whenever they have trouble breathing. What I would do is I would just, blow off some of the water. Around the leaf, around the center of the leaf, the crown. Now you're probably wondering, why am I doing this? Well, the reason why I'm doing this because you see that white coating powder? That's what protect them from the harsh sunlight. And right now it's not sunny, but after the rain and whenever the sun does appear out again, when the water evaporate, they took the white coating powder with it. And that's not gonna help, and that will be fatal for the succulent, because they won't get that, because after that white powder is gone, it's gone forever. So this is what I do to help protect the white coating powder, because I don't want the water after it evaporate, it take the white coating powder along with it. There you go. And here's another one. And sorry for my voice, I'm kind of sick right now. Yep, just gently blow all that water away. Because they're succulent, they can absorb water through the leaf too. But this rain, I barely even water my succulent. I probably water them like once a month, or if they're lucky, I will water them like once a month. But usually I won't water them for like once every 2 months. Yeah, that's insane. Yep. And this is all my little Echeveria Blue Bird, my little nursery of Echeveria Blue Bird. Oops. And no, this is not the Korean one. I just chopped off the bottom of the roof because it was rotting, and I got it from Home Depot, and those people don't know how to take care of succulent. So I rescued them. And they were kind of rotting, so I just chop off the bottom of the root and let it regrow new root. That's why it's so freaking bright red. Except for this one. This one is a Korean Echeveria Blue Bird. Look how red it is comparing to the blue one. And more Echeveria Blue Bird. I'm obsessed with them. You see that? You see it right there? When the water evaporate, it took along the white coating powder with it. And once it's gone, it will never come back. And then you're wondering why your Echeveria looking blotchy. Like it's not even color. Well, that's probably why. There you go. I do that for all my succulents. And my little Lola. I'm not a huge fan of Lola. Oh, this one I propagated from a single leaf. Success! But I am a huge fan of this lovely beauties. Echeveria Blue Bird. Get yourself one at Home Depot. And in 2 years, they will grow up to be like this. Oh yeah.